One thing I have been forcing myself to do every morning is workout, even though it's not like the biggest workout in the world. A few stretches go a long way. So then I put away my little mat and I go ahead and make myself some kind of tea because I find it very difficult to eat in the morning. I know a lot of people think it's not good, but I don't usually eat in the morning, so I'll just go ahead and have some tea. I'm trying to add some lemon in it, and I have this empty honey jar that I wanted to clean up because I don't want to waste anything. So I don't do this every morning, obviously, but I wanted to include it because it's stuff that I do, so let's just be real. Then after my workout, I go take a shower and do my skincare, so it's very simple. First thing I am going to do is a little mask. I don't usually do this every day, but I do it every like 3 days or something like that. So I just leave it on. Wow, we have a thunderstorm over there. Water. I know that's a bit crazy. And everyone's judging me for that, but I can water my plants with it and I don't see the problem. Face mask is on. I'm still blind, so I like go back to cleaning everything. It's freezing really, so I'm gonna get a jacket and then I'm gonna make the bed. Forgot my tea and my work phone in case anyone. So the problem with my room is that I went on a trip, so did my husband. So like everything here, I don't even want to show you. It's horrible. I don't even know where to start. By the way, let me just show you. I got all of this from my trip in Spain and it's like so cheap compared to here. This is face wash, this is travel version. This is cream deodorant actually. I've never seen that. And then this is so cute. This literally live in Paris, but it's more expensive in Paris. Although it says Paris, you know, it's like supposed to be a French brand, but it's more expensive. So I got one. I already had one. This is the one I had, so I bought like a more red version. And just a moisturizer because I didn't have anything in the sun, so it wasn't so great. It's good enough. Just took a little break to brush my hair and remove the mask. Now I'm all glowy. I don't know what the hell I'm gonna sew. Saw, whatever. Oh, this is a mosquito thing. It works amazing. Now we're in the kitchen slash living room slash dining room and it's a whole other conversation. So I did leave my vintage corner up there. Isn't much I can do about it for now. So here, kitchen is just gonna be putting everything away in the dishwasher. Which I bought this thing, it's kind of cool. And it's always dirty anyways, so it's kind of useless. To remove the laundry. Laundry rack, and I know I'm gonna put it back in half a day, but you know, just have to pretend. And now it's time to make the table fall themed, so I just removed whatever I had on the table for summer, very flowery motif, and going ahead with the classic pumpkin for fall. Let's go upstairs to, this is the laundry basket that I folded, and it's time to get to work. Yeah. All right, so my vintage corner is still here. This is beyond me. I have no control over that. Right. I put this on because I was very cold. Some work that came up, so I need to work, and thankfully my desk is all clean. So I'm going to go into my work. And now it's time for my morning snack. Like I said, I don't really eat in the morning, but sometimes I get hungry before noon. So like I have a little something. So I just made a little peanut butter and jelly. It's not something I do every day. It really depends on how hungry I feel on a specific day. I don't know. It's really random. And then I decided to quickly paint my nails because they've been like this for a very long time and they started to bother me. I am getting a call, and thank you so much for watching. Can't really do much. Waiting for my nails to dry. Oh my god.